Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Manny and Me's May 2020 sub box. We've got MXM 30 and 31 to play with today. Yeah, I'm playing catch up on all my stuff. So I do clean these plates off with some pure acetone after I remove the coverings. And here are these all these polishes. Oh my gosh, they're gorgeous. I can't even begin to tell you. This liquid sunshine is phenomenal. Oh, and I've got my cube stamper from Maniology out today. And I'm going to go in, I'm sorry the footage is blurry, but I am using both of these polishes as my base colors. And then I'm going to use them also to stamp with. Look at this one coat wonder. I mean, I don't know why I don't use these polishes more often as base colors, because they're just stunning. Hi Woody, how you doing? And that liquid sunshine, I'm telling y'all, oh my gosh, it's just absolutely stunning, fabulous. And the formula when you use them, I mean look, I'm not hardly even making a mess. One coat wonders here. I'm so impressed. And there we go. I am going to top these with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat to get them to dry down some. There we go, capping that free edge. Yep, I used the Pro FX, and there's a swatch photo of them on their own. And now we're going to break out these plates. This is 31, and it's kind of like a cell, like, you know, people using those fluid cell making polishes. And, you know, I don't know that this yellow one stamped really great over the blue one or nothing like that, but I'm excited to try it over other stuff too. I'm just playing today, just trying to figure out, you know, how they work and what they look like. I just love this plate. You know, I love that fluid art, but I just don't have as much luck playing with it really. And the blue looks pretty good over the yellow. And then this plate is more of a water marble type plate, but with different images. And this one right here caught my eye. Definitely wanted to give it a shot and play with it. And then this one over here was a little unusual too. So we're going to pick that image up and slap it on a nail. Oh, gotta remember which nail I'm working on. Now I think that turned out really good on the pinky. So I'm going to clean this plate off. I clean both plates off the same way with pure acetone, and then I wipe over it with a paper towel. Just get any residuals off of there before they get put up. I'm going to hop in here with a piece of tape and clean up some of this excess polish off of my skin. And then we're going to go in with our cleanup brush, and this is the Maniology cleanup brush. It took me forever to finally order one, and I'm so glad I did because I really do like it. Y'all know I'm kind of picky when it comes to cleanup brushes. This one seems to be doing really well. We'll just have to see how long I can make it last. And now I'm going to top this with the Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat and seal that in without smearing it. And I really did like how this turned out. I think it turned out pretty cool. Once that's dry, I'm going to top it with the Moonshine Manny's Let's Go Top Coat. And I am really in love with this top coat. I'm so glad I've grabbed some. There we go. So here we have my swatch photo. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about it. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.